Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Disney Plus login problems, account and app errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your internet connection is stable by opening a few websites or another streaming app. Next, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh your network connection. Then, restart your device completely to clear temporary system glitches affecting the Disney Plus app. After that, check if Disney Plus is down by searching Disney Plus status and looking for outage reports. Now, verify you are using the correct email address and make sure there are no typing mistakes. Next, retype your password slowly, paying attention to uppercase letters and special characters. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. Then, open your email inbox and spam folder to find the reset email if it does not appear immediately. Next, make sure your subscription is active by signing in at disneyplus.com in a browser. If your payment failed, update your payment method and retry the subscription payment. Now, confirm your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can block login. Next, disable any VPN or proxy service because it can trigger location and login errors. Then, log out of Disney Plus on all devices if possible to prevent session conflicts. Next, try signing in again using a web browser to see if the issue is app only. If the browser works, update the Disney Plus app from the App Store or Google Play. Now, force close the Disney Plus app and reopen it to refresh the login process. Next, clear the app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Disney Plus, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload or delete and reinstall the app because iOS does not offer a simple cache clear. Then, restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds and plugging them back in. Next, switch to a different network like mobile hotspot to confirm if your home network is blocking access. Now, check for device system updates and install any pending updates for better app compatibility. Next, free up storage space because low storage can cause app crashes and login loops. Then, disable battery saver or data saver modes that can restrict background sign-in services. Next, confirm you are using the correct region account because Disney Plus availability varies by country. If you see an error code, write it down and search the exact code on Disney Plus Help Center. Next, try changing your password again if you suspect unusual activity or repeated incorrect password errors. Then, contact Disney Plus support with your email, device model, app version, and the exact error message. Finally, test login again after each change so you know which step fixed the problem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.